Hey, what's up, Herd? My name is Aaron, and this is your market update for January 10th, 2025. Let's get on into the charts. Bitcoin bounced off its bottom around $91,000 all the way back up to 95 this morning, though is struggling to stay high this morning. I do think this has to do more with the traditional markets kind of nuking right now. Unexpectedly, though, whale money flow is quite low on this, guys, so I do expect a turnaround on this relatively quickly. Oddly enough, we got some good data from the unemployment rate. So unemployment rate came in actual at 4.1%, estimated was 4.2, and prior was 4.2. So we came in under estimates, which should have done really well, and that's why I think we got the pump this morning. However, but the majority of the market is actually sitting just barely over green this morning, and we've actually seen things dip into the red. In fact, Solana just a couple seconds ago was in the red and is recovering from that currently. I think Bitcoin is going to run from here, but let's look at the liquidation heat map to make sure we have liquidations getting hyperscaled out down here at 90,000, as well as a bunch of short liquidity between the current price and all the way up to 103,000. I do think this 103,000 mark will bring the price up eventually, though this 90,000, as I've been saying for the last couple days now, could bring us down to 90,000 before we head up to the upside. Though with good labor data coming in, I do think this is less likely than it was over the last couple days. Ethereum currently up 1%, though was up as high as 3% this morning. I'm looking for this to bounce as whale money flow is coming up and to the right, and I do think we should be heading back towards 3,700, which was the last high that we had. I would love to see us eclipse this, though we have been making lower highs and lower lows. We should break out of this trend, guys, as we did not eclipse the low back here that we set in late November. BNB struggling to get back over $700, guys, and with whale money flow coming out of it, I am concerned that we may not see that. But liquidations are great for the price of BNB, and that's why I think this is held up rather well in comparison to other tokens. We continue to set higher highs and higher lows, guys, so I'm expecting this to turn around shortly. Solana did not come down as far as the lows that we made in late December, so that was good to see. I do think we should be able to turn this around fairly quickly here. Money flow isn't curling up quite yet, but it is starting to make that transition, so let's see what happens in the next couple of days. SWE performed extremely well in this correction, guys, only coming down less than 10% here from the tops, and we almost went back to the tops this morning, getting over $5 for a very short period. Currently, we're fighting with the $5 price at $4.96. Getting into the elephant money ecosystem, Trunk is basically flat today, has come down over the past couple days after we spiked back on the 6th. An elephant bouncing off of its lows over the last couple days. With whale money flow coming out of this, though, I am expecting it to come back to support here. Bitcoin dominance is higher than expected. After we see this reversal, I would like to see this turn around, though whale money flow is coming out, is coming back in currently. And besides SWE, Bitcoin is leading the pack as far as percentage up on the morning. If you have unlimited NFTs, guys, make sure to stake those and continue to claim your available Trunk via the Trumpet contract. This is the tip of the spear currently for the herd, guys, and I do think we should have some news from BT soon about updates to this system. With that, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Have a great weekend, and God bless.